In this video, we will learn how to create a branch into the GitHub repository, and let's see with the example. So you can see that I already created a GitHub repository over here, and I simply clone to my local system. Okay, and I will simply run one command that's called git branch, and there is only one branch, main branch. So what I will do, simply I will run one command like git check out, and there is a dash p option that will be create a new branch. So I will say simply dev branch, so we can manage the development environment, and hit enter. It will create new branch and switch it to the dev branch. So again I will run git branch and hit enter. You can see that right now I am in the dev branch. So now what I will do, simply I will, you can see that right now I have just index.html. I will create another file that's called dev.html. Okay, and I will simply copy it and paste it all the code, and then I will say simply hello world, and then I will simply say dev branch file, simply save it. Okay, and I will make it h2. Okay, simply save it. Okay, and now let me push this branch to the GitHub repository, because if you go here, still we don't have a, still we just have a main branch over here. Okay, so now we need to upload this code to the GitHub repository. So I will say git add this, that means all the files, and git commit, and I will say created dev html file and hit okay git push origin and which branch. So I will call dev branch and hit enter. Then it will be upload all the code to the GitHub repository. And now if I go here and refresh it, okay, and if I go here and there is a dev branch, so if I click on it, you can see that there is a two file, dev.html and index.html. And if I go here into the main branch, there is only single file. So I hope guys how easily you can create the branch and upload code to the GitHub repository. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.